Good morning everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Apple users security warning, ChatGPT privacy concerns, Meta's content moderation in India, Byju's Alpha Incorporation bankruptcy filing, Paytm FASTag users advisory, technology in art at India Art Fair 2024, Ola Electric new electric scooter and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. The Indian government issues a major security warning regarding Apple devices including Apple Watch, Apple TV, Mac, iPhone and iPad, declaring it a high-risk situation. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN) categorizes the security alert in its 31st January bulletin, highlighting the vulnerability of the mentioned Apple devices to remote access by attackers. Vulnerabilities exist in various Apple software versions encompassing macOS Monterey, macOS Ventura, watchOS, iOS, iPadOS, and Safari. Attackers could exploit these vulnerabilities to remotely access devices, gather confidential data, and potentially execute arbitrary code, bypassing security measures. The Indian government advises affected users to promptly update their devices to the latest available version and consider migrating to more recent devices for enhanced security. ChatGPT, a widely used AI chatbot, faces accusations of leaking private conversations including usernames and passwords of pharmacy prescription drug website employees. Screenshots reveal leaked chats showing concern about user privacy and the potential compromise of sensitive information. OpenAI acknowledges an account takeover possibly originating in Sri Lanka linked to the leaked chats, raising questions about the platform's security. Suggestions are made for OpenAI to introduce stringent account privacy features such as two-factor authentication to prevent future leaks. The incident underscores concern about the privacy of AI applications and the need for robust security measures. Meta, parent company of Facebook and Instagram, reveals proactive content removal efforts, taking down 19.8 million pieces on Facebook and 6.2 million on Instagram in December 2023. Facebook and Instagram receives a significant number of user reports through the Indian grievance mechanism with tools provided for issue resolution. Meta's monthly report aligned with the IT Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021, showcasing adherence to regulatory guidelines. Meta reviews content based on its policies, taking action on a substantial number of reports while some may not be actioned. The company complies with the new IT Rules 2021, demonstrating transparency through monthly compliance report. Byju's Alpha Incorporation, the American arm of the edtech company Byju's, files for bankruptcy due to insufficient funds, hindering its ability to continue the legal battle with its parent company over debt. Lenders insist on the bankruptcy filing before continuing funding, signaling financial challenges for the edtech firm. Byju's Alpha plans to sue a small hedge fund in Florida, accusing it of aiding Byju's parent company in hiding over $500 million in cash meant for creditors. Ongoing legal battles between lenders and Byju's parent company involve accusations and counter-accusations in courts in Delaware and Florida. Lenders filed an insolvency petition in India seeking a reconstitution of the board and a change in leadership at an upcoming extraordinary general meeting. Paytm FASTag users are instructed to buy a new FASTag from another bank before 29 February 2024, following the Reserve Bank of India's RBI order to stop customer transactions. Each FASTag is linked to a unique UPI ID directly associated with Paytm Payments Bank. Paytm assures users that they need not worry about the order and operations will be normal for end users before and after 29 February 2024. Paytm FASTag will continue to function as usual until 29 February 2024, allowing users to recharge them until that date. After 29 February, users are restricted from credit transactions or top-ups in customer accounts and prepaid instruments. Paytm commits to working on effective solutions to ensure a seamless customer experience amidst regulatory changes. At the India Art Fair 2024, 4 multidisciplinary artists exhibit digital artwork using Apple iPad Pro and MacBook Pro. Apple hosts a Today at Apple session teaching visitors to draw self-portrait using Apple iPad. Artist Sadhna Prasad creates a large-scale mural on iPad Pro turned into an interactive augmented reality AR experience using the Artivive app. Artist Aaron Miles Pereira and Amaya Shinde showcase Ornithoscope, an immersive audiovisual experience exploring changes in India avian biodiversity. Artist Dhruv Jani presents a video game called It Takes a Long Time to Grow a Mountain, designed and programmed on MacBook Pro with M3 Max. The event highlights the significant role of technology in the art world, with emerging mediums like VR and spatial audio anticipated to play a greater role. Ola Electric launches a new range of electric scooters with prices starting at Rs 79,999. The Ola S1 Pro, priced at Rs 1,47,999, features an 11 kilowatt motor, acclaimed range of 195 km, top speed of 120 km per hour, and a 4 kilowatt per hour battery capacity. Ola announces the availability of 600 service stations and plans to expand its charging infrastructure to 10,000 fast chargers by the next quarter. Ola offers an 8-year battery warranty with an option to extend the warranty further at an additional cost. The scooters come with various drive modes including Eco, Normal, Sports and Hyper. Ola Electric expresses intentions to further extend the warranty, providing users with additional choices and confidence in their electric scooters. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.